Alright, that's good.
You open it, Casey. Open it like you did with me.
I didn't open it.
Yes, you did.
Hold this.
Interesting. Do we really have to do it? Like, oh my god, I'm gonna die.
I did it. It's okay. I'll do it.
Alright, show that, yeah. Not yet.
I'm gonna die.
You guys are going to do it on the count of 3.
Alright, that's about the same amount. You agree?
Yeah, that's it.
Alright.
I might actually have a little more, but it's all good.
Okay.
Back up.
Right. 1, 2, 3.
In my nose. In my nose.
Oh, no, man. Oh.
It's in my nose.
I want it out. Now.
It's going to be in your mouth for the next hour and a half.
It's all over me. It's in my fucking mouth.
Why are you just video gaming me?
Oh, God.